Circle K look crazy.
Oh, it is crazy. We just arrived at the cruise terminal. We had a 1 p.m. check-in time. We got here at 11:20. Nobody asked any questions. Nobody looked. So we went through security. Took a couple minutes. Really no wait. Now we're about to board. Finally here. Boarding freedom of the seas. So we've got to do our muster. That's on the 4th floor. Yeah, we have Wi-Fi. We'll have to deal with that later. We got one person for 3 devices. It was $100 cheaper than 3 people for 1 device each. Makes no sense. Gives you the exact same thing.
So I can be on my phone and my laptop, but not at the same time?
We can have 3 total devices online at the same time. So if me and Henry are not online, you can have 3 at the same time. You just sign in. There's instructions in there. Alright, here we are. Deck 5 is where the promenade and stuff is, if you want to walk through that stuff first.
Say what?
Deck 5 is where the promenade and stuff is. Oh, we're on the ship. Thank you.
You have the drink package?
Yes.
You know where's the master station?
C10.
You go sliding door on the other side.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Do that first and get it out of the way. That'll be our only responsibility.
Hello, welcome aboard.
Hi.
Say hi to my vlog. So you're Master Station.
That's where we're headed. We're going to C10. Thank you. This is the 4th floor. Hi. There's playmakers. So we're gonna go do our muster first. Get that down.
I know, dude.
Oh my gosh. We did it.
Huh?
I'm glad we didn't have to wait.
Yeah. Yeah, they had signs up with your time, but we just walked into a time that was slightly ahead of ours. Nobody looked.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go do our muster. We're gonna go find some food. But not too crowded yet. So just shake them off. Looks like there's a lot of tables. The Windjammer just boarded. A lot of people here. And that's the main pool. Oh, okay. Yeah, we don't want to be by the kiddie area. Boarding day on Freedom of the Seas. People are getting their pool chairs. This is where you would buy lanyards if you didn't bring them. Phone holders and other sorts of things. There's a free ice cream.
Can you regulate the ice cream? Probably good.
Yeah, we're on a cruise, so we don't need to regulate the ice cream. Share the sun. Came up top for the sailaway party. Oh, they got a basketball court on that one too, huh? People all over. I got my sunglasses downstairs. It's killing me. I have to go get them. Dude, I gotta have my sunglasses, I think. Everybody's standing out here, really.
Last time we played golf.
Of course. I think we want to be on this side, but here's Miami. We're getting ready for the sail away party. We're supposed to go 4:15. It's about 4:25 right now. We haven't left yet, but people are definitely getting geared up. Everybody's lined up on the side where Miami's at. So, sounds like the sail away party is getting started. I'll walk over here, check the DJ booth.
And that's what I'm with our first song and DJ. Come on, everybody. Yes.
Give back the ship. See if we can watch sail away from here. It's Miami. It's Henry. Yeah, we can definitely see more on the other side. Little kid area. Wind feels nice, doesn't it? Now that we're moving, we got some breeze. There's Miami. Cruising on by. stuff on me. I had to take it back to the room.